Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros easy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You'll also need 2 large eggs and vegetable oil for frying. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's create that perfect churro dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Remove it from the heat, then quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until the dough forms a ball and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Let it cool slightly before adding the eggs. It's time for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Don't overcrowd the pan, fry a few at a time. Cook them until they are beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once your churros are golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they're still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and cinnamon. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like chocolate or caramel. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.